It's vlog 2, second day, second vlog. I'm not doing the jalapeno, obviously. Or not jalapeno, habanero, excuse me. Because our freaking store here doesn't carry the damn things. What the hell? I go to the store, waste my time going to the store, and what the fuck? They don't even have a freaking habanero. What the hell? You know, stupid. Stupid ass shit. But, you know, I don't fucking make rules of the store, so, you know, guess I can't really blame myself, but, I will do that for you guys. Yes, didn't do much today, just went to my school and did some useless crap, went to a history class, again, art class, I was useless, let's see, what else did I do, a literature and a kind of a study hall kind of bullshitty thing, you know, just some easy classes today. Tomorrow's Friday, so I'll be doing a start of the weekend vlog. Not sure what I'm gonna do yet, but I will do that. You know, yes, this is my room. It is freaking messy. Those are my models. I love my models. This one here, my friends, is my favorite model. Yes. I love this one. It looks so good. Just like me. So good. My next favorite one is probably this one. The ME410 Hornets, which is German for Hornet. Yeah, so how is this on here? Something like that, I think. There's a Sparviero, full gore, Fiat model, piece of shit. Shot book. I could make a shot. Yes, I'm going to show you guys something I learned, yesterday off of this, there's tons of videos on YouTube, so, you know, and I thought I could incorporate some cooking with it, this video, yes, you go to cook time, 1 minute, boom, and then, come over to here, probably should turn the light on, hey, don't you think? Light, let it be light. So, now there's light, so there's that, and now, where the hell is that thing? How is it? There it is. This. And, what you do is you turn it on low, of course, like a splatter. And, you look at the half cup mark. Built about there. And, yes, there's our lovely bowl of water. Come over to here. Bum, bum, bum. Eggs. Oops, I forgot my corn this morning. Let's, 1 second, I gotta set this. I guess I can set it right here. Right here. Then I crack said egg into the water, like so. And then, when you're done, no, I'm not gonna be Rocky and, yes, that'd be pretty disgusting, huh? Then you, stick in here for the 55 seconds, push start, and then you wait. Then you can always grab a, you know, little bowl, and then you, gotta grab salt and pepper. Dun, dun, dun. Salt and pepper, salt and pepper. Gotta grab a drink quickly. Okay, grab a drink. And I will be back when that is done. back, and I left it for like 30 seconds, and well, that's what fucking happened. Oh my god, freaking things. Look at that. There's my egg. I think there's something wrong with this one, because I tried it on a different one and it worked perfectly. Guess I'll have to redo this. But I guess I'll have to cut this short, because, well, got a little bit of a shitstorm to fucking pick up. Oh, there we go. Yes, if you've liked this video, always like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.